In this problem, we need to show that these 3 points, 1, -1, 2, 1, and 4, 5 are collinear in nature. Let us begin. First, what we'll do, we'll try to find out the area formed by these 3 points. Let us suppose that it's forming a triangle. We know that the area of a triangle is given by this formula, which is half times the absolute value of, here we have few variables x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So they corresponds to the coordinates of the 3 vertices of a triangle. Let's say one of the coordinate be x1, y1, other one be x2, y2, and the third one be x3, y3. So x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 have their corresponding values. So when we substitute this value into this equation, that's going to give us the area of the triangle. So let's perform the calculation. So here we have half multiplied to the absolute value, so x1. So we have x1 that corresponds to 1. That's multiplied to y2 minus y3. So y2 is 1 minus y3, so y3 corresponds to 5. Added to it is x2, so x2 corresponds to 2 units, and we are multiplying it to y3 minus y1. So y3 is 5 minus, now we have y1 which is -1, so negative of -1 will make it positive, plus x3, so x3 corresponds to 4, so we have 4 times y1 minus y2, so y1 is -1 minus y2, so that's +1. Right, now let's calculate the value. So we have half multiplied to 1 multiplied to -4 plus 2 times 5 plus 1, that's 6. 2 times 6 will be +12. And then we have 4 multiplied to -2, so that's -8. Right, so this will be half multiplied to 0. And this is giving us an area equals to 0. We started out with the assumption that let's say one of the points is A, B, and C. Here, let's say 1 corresponds to 1, -1. B corresponds to 2, 1, and C corresponds to 4, 5. So we started out with the assumption that these 3 points are forming a triangle, but we obtained the result as 0. That means they are not going to have any area, which only means that one of the points must lie on the line joining the 2 points. So that means let's say A is lying on the line joining B and C, which means that A, B, and C, these 3 points are collinear in nature. So we've successfully showed that the points are indeed collinear.